Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. So to do that, I'm gonna show you my detailed background. You can follow. So head over to your profile picture on the bottom right corner and tap the three lines on the top right corner, then tap settings and privacy, and then tap account center, and there you'll find password and security. From there, go to two-factor authentication and choose the Instagram account for which you want to disable 2FA. You'll see the security methods you have enabled, like SMS, WhatsApp, or Authenticator app. Tap on one what you want to disable and follow the prompts to turn it off. So let me show you it on the Instagram. So in Instagram, I'm heading over to a three lines icon. I'm going to account center. Now going to password and security. And here going to two-factor authentication, selecting the Instagram account. As I haven't added two-factor authentication on my Instagram, so this is showing me to enable it. So if it is already on, it will show you to disable it. So yeah, then you have to follow the prompts. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.